It feels like the world has changed in so many ways.
How we gather together.
The way we connect with each other.
Even the simple act of a handshake or a hug.
But here at Forever,
the things that truly matter haven't changed at all.
For 42 years, we've offered powerful products to support your health and your well-being.
And a global business opportunity with industry-leading compensation and incentives.
Forever is a place where hard work is rewarded and you get out what you put in.
We are proud to be a team of great people.
A family.
With a passion for helping you look better, feel better.
And supporting you in building a future on your own terms.
People like Roel in India.
Like Margaret in South Africa.
Like Joanna in Poland.
Like Rafa in Brazil.
Like Alice in Hong Kong.
Like Bradley in Australia.
Like Christina in Romania.
So, like the rest of the world, the environment in which we operate may have changed.
But what we do,
what we stand for,
our people,
our values,
our products,
our opportunity,
always has and always will
stand the test of time.
It is our beautiful heritage.
And we invite you to be a part of it.